Hello children, today I am going to summarize a chapter in English literature. Okay, but before that I want to ask you some questions. Okay, so are you all ready children? Okay, very good. So my question is, do you think only boys are strong and brave, not the girls? Do you think that children? Yes, tell me that. Okay, you all are saying no. Boys and girls both are equally strong and brave. Okay, very good. This is the point, yes. But children, some people think that boys are more stronger and braver and smarter than the girls. Okay, some people think so. Okay, so based on this moral, based on this theme, I am going to summarize chapter number 1, the class play. Okay, so I am writing it here. Chapter 1, the class play. Okay. Now here's another question. What is a play, children? Tell me that. Have you ever performed any play in your annual function of your school? Yes, tell me that. Yes, some answers are coming. Akbar Birbal. Okay, save water. Okay. Yes, another one. The golden bird. Okay. Very good. Yes. But what is a play? You have told me so many names that you have performed in your annual functions of your schools. But what is a play? Yes, tell me that. Yes, some are giving the answers. Very good. Yes. Play is a performance in front of the audience in which the role is being performed of by the different characters by speaking their dialogues with expression. Okay, whenever the people or the children just play the character of any person of that story and they speak the dialogues with expressions and all in front of the audience, that is known as play. Okay, very good children. Now, moving further, I am going to summarize chapter 1, the class play. So, in this chapter, there is a class in which the teacher is saying, the teacher is discussing to the students that I don't have any idea which play we should perform this year. Okay, as a class play, for the class play. So, which play we will select? So, all the students, they are giving their ideas. Some are saying we should play Superman. Some is saying Iron Man, Batman. So, one girl is saying, how is it possible that you play the character of Superman? How you will fly over the walls? How you will climb on the above the stairs and all? How you will do that? So, how is it possible? So, some children are giving the ideas of Aladdin and all. Okay. So, they all are discussing. So, teacher said that go to your home and just consult different books and read some stories. And tomorrow when we will meet, you just give me the ideas which play we will perform as a class play this year. Okay. So, there is a girl named Renu. Okay. The girl name is Renu. Okay. So, Renu just borrowed, Renu has taken some books from the library. And she gone to her home and she started reading the stories, but she was very upset. Then her father came. He asked, Renu, what happened? You are very upset? So Renu just said, Father, in all these stories, it is written, it is just showing that only boys are brave and smart, not the girls. I don't think so. So, father, yes, agreed with Renu and he said, yes, this is not the point. Girls are also brave and smart. And when both are just talking to each other, then Renu's mother comes there and she asks, what happened? What you both are talking about? So, Renu again just said to her mother that, Mama, this is the problem. In all these stories, it is showing that boys are brave and strong, not the girls. In no stories it is there that girls are braver and stronger. So her mother said, this is not so beta. because the real example is in front of you, as I am your mother and I am a lawyer, and your grandma, she is also a female, she is also a woman, and she is a doctor. So in this modern era, in this modern time, girls can do whatever they want and they are equal to boys. Okay. So Renu said, I want to just write this type of story. So father just given the idea to Renu, why don't you write your own story? So Renu just think for a moment and she said that, father, I have no idea how I can write my own story. So both her parents said that we will help you. You just tell us on which theme, on which moral you want to write the story. So Renu just said to them that I want a story like that in which boys and girls both face the difficulties together with their smartness and bravery. Okay, so Renu wants to write the story on this idea. Now, all the parents and Renu, they just discuss with each other and the idea hit upon their minds. Okay, so there is a word which can hit upon. Do you know, children, what is the meaning of hit upon? Yes, tell me that. I am writing here for you all. What is the meaning of hit upon? Yes, tell me that, children. Yes, hit upon. Yes, when you get an idea, अचानक से कोई idea दिमाग पे आ जाए. Okay, suddenly have an idea. Yes, suddenly have an idea. Okay, so there is an idea which hit upon Renu's mind. Okay, and then on the next day when she reached her class, so the teacher asked everyone, so just tell me about your ideas. So children are saying Superman, and they are giving just like that answers. Okay, so Renu told her class teacher that the play should be of a real situation, of a real difficulty. So the teacher asked Renu, do you have any story? Just tell us. So Renu said that, yes teacher, I have a story in which there is a real situation and in which the boys and girls face the real difficulty. It's a real story. Okay. So the teacher asked, what is that, Renu? Tell us. Okay. So Renu just, it's a real story. Renu just started the story of her cousin Alka, in which Alka with her friends just gone for a camping trip, and they were all out for trekking, and there was a heavy rain and it was getting darker and darker. So they all are worried how to just come back to their camp. They all are very worried. So no idea. So they all are stranded in a great storm. They all are stranded in a great storm. So do you know what is the meaning of stranded, children? So I am writing it here, the word for you all, stranded. Do you have any meaning? Yes, tell me that. Yes, left in a place with no way of getting out. With no way of getting out. Okay? Left in a place with no way of getting out. It means कि आप ऐसी जगह फंस जाओ जहां से आपको कोई रास्ता बाहर निकलने का न मिले. आप ट्रैप हो जाओ, आप stranded हो जाओ, आप फंस जाओ. It means stranded means कि फंस जाओ. So Alka with her friends, they all were stranded there, and no idea was coming to their mind how they will reach their camp. So and with due to heavy rain, this path becomes muddy and slippery. They can't even move. Okay, so all the girls and boys, all the friends of Alka, they just hold their hands in hands and they slowly move to the police station nearby. Okay, they reach there and they just wait for the rain to stop, and after the rain stops, they reach their camp. Okay, so this is the short story which Renu has told to everyone. So the teacher said, yes, it's very interesting. It's an outline. It's an outline means it's a short story and it's just an overview, and we can just add some more details with the characters and all, and we will play we will perform the play. So teacher liked the story, and all the children in the class, they liked the story, and all the children said, yes, we will just create a play for this story. We all like this story, and we will just create a play for this story. So this is the summary of the chapter, the class play. And yes, children, tell me about the moral, the lesson, what you get from this play. Yes, tell me that. Very good. Yes. The moral of this chapter, the moral of this story is girls are equally brave, strong and smart as the boys. Because if anybody thinks that, this is not so, because girls can do whatever boys can do. We can see the real examples. Policemen, girls are all there. In medical science, doctors and nurses are girls and women are there, with the male doctors and maids and all. Okay. And in your defense means Raksha, your Air Force, Navy and your Army, in all these girls and women are there. Okay, and you can say in your technologies and all, scientists, girls and women are there in working of the missiles and all, going to moon. Okay, so many examples we have in front of us. Okay, so girls are equal to boys in their smartness and their bravery. Okay, so nobody can say this, that girls are not equal to boys, because they are doing whatever the boys are doing in this modern era. So this is the lesson of this chapter. I hope that you all get this story well, get the chapter well. Thank you. Have a nice day.